Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabihah binti Mohamad Khalid. My friend and I will present about our group project for database management system, which is about but which is about bus reservation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syuhada. The agenda for our group project are to identify entities and develop business rules. Second, we will construct a logical entity relationship diagram (ERD).
Okay, for the task one, we should identify all entities and relationships in the case study and develop a set of business rules. You should follow the syntax given below. Each relationship must be described by two rules, one in each direction. So here is the aim for our project. The bus reservation system facilitates the passengers to inquire about the bus available on the basis of source and destination, booking and cancellation of tickets, inquire about the status of the book ticket, and etc. The aim of case study is to design and develop a database maintaining the records of different bus status and passengers. The record of bus includes its number, name, source, destination, and dates on which it is available. Various record of bus status includes dates for which tickets can be booked, total number of seats available, and number of seats already booked. Okay, and then here's the description for our project. Passengers can book their tickets for the bus in which seats are available. For this, passenger has to provide the desired bus number and the date for which ticket is to be booked. Before booking a ticket for a passenger, the validity of bus number and booking date is checked. Once the bus number and booking date are validated, it is checked whether the seat is available. If yes, the ticket is booked with confirmed status and corresponding ticket ID is generated, which is stored along with other details of the passenger. After all the available tickets are booked, certain number of tickets are booked with waiting status. If waiting log is also finished, then tickets are not booked and a message of non-availability of seats is displayed. The ticket once booked can be cancelled at any time. For this, the passenger has to provide the ticket ID, which is the ticket ID is the unique key, and its search and the corresponding record is delayed. With this, the first ticket with waiting status also get confirmed. So our project just like the case study for booking flight. The bus number and booking date was checked by train keeper. Alright, and then for the business rules, first one is bus list. The first table is consists of details about all the available buses. The information stored in this table includes bus number, bus name, source, destination, seat type, fare for general ticket, and weekdays on which bus is available. It is constrained the bus number is unique. The second one is bus status. For the bus status table, it consists of details about the dates on which ticket can be booked for a bus and the status of the availability of tickets. The information stored in this table includes bus number, bus date, total number of seats type, total number of general seats, number of seats type booked, and number of general seats booked. Uh, it is The constraint for this table is bus number should exist in bus list table. Uh, for the third one is passenger. For the passenger table, it consists of details about the book ticket. The information stored in this table includes ticket ID, which is the unique key, bus number, date for which ticket is booked, name, age, gender, and address of the passenger, status of reservation, either confirmed or waiting, and category for which ticket is booked. So the table have the constraint, which is the ticket ID is unique, like I said before, and the bus number should exist in bus list table. Um, and then for the booking table, in this procedure, the bus number, bus date, and category and category is read from the passenger. On the basis of the values provided by the passenger, corresponding record is retrieved from the bus status table. If the desired seat, if the desired seats, the total number of seats and number of booked seats are compared in order to find whether ticket can be booked or not. Similarly, it can be checked for the general category. If ticket can be booked, the passenger details are read and stored in the passenger table. Okay, for the last one is cancel. In this procedure, ticket ID is read from the passenger and corresponding record is searched in the passenger table. If the record exists, it is deleted from the table. After deleting the record, first record with waiting status for the same bus and same category are searched from the passenger table and its status is changed to confirm.
Next, the relational database schema for our case study, which is bus reservation. First, passenger, they will have ticket ID, passenger age, passenger gender, passenger address, and passenger category. The ticket ID will be the primary key. Second, bus list. They will have bus name, bus number, source, destination, and seat available. So the bus number will be the primary key. Bus status, bus for the third one, bus status, bus date. They will have bus date, seat type, and book seat. For booking, they will have book date and book seat. Book seat will be foreign key because they already have in bus status. Fifth, bus seat, which is bus number, they will be a foreign key because bus number already have in bus list. In task 2, based on the business rule developed in task 1, construct a logical ERD for the case study using the visual paradigm tools. First, identify all attributes in each entity including all primary and foreign keys. Any composite and multi-value attributes must be transformed according to the rules of the relational model. Second, all relationships must be named. Verb phrases must be shown for all relationships. If super or subtype are used, indicate whether the super subtype relationships are disjoint or overlapping, and fully or partially specialized, complete or incomplete. For the third one, identify the cardinality and participation for each relationship. Fourth, resolve all relationships. And fifth, describe any assumption you have made in a text note in the diagram. From the ERD diagram, we can see that bus list and bus seat has relationship as 1-to-1 because the bus number is being a foreign key of bus seat. And then bus status and bus seat has relationship as many-to-many because each bus has many status for their seats. And then for bus status and booking are 1-to-1 because each bus seat only can have detail by one passenger. And then the relationship between booking and passenger is 1-to-many because one passenger can book more than one seat while booking only can have one detailed passenger.